Here at Panls, people are always asking us, how does the Panls ceramic steel surface compare to a glass dry erase surface? And the answer is clear to see. On a glass surface, because glass is a transparent material, you actually get a subtle drop shadow effect from all your writing, causing it to appear fuzzier, blurrier, even from just a short distance, even using dark colors. On the Panls CeramicSteel surface, no matter what color you use, you get clear, crisp contrast regardless of your lighting conditions, your distance away from the board, or what color you're using.